Welcome to Hurricane Isaias? Isaias? I don't know. Oh yeah, good. Generator's giving me shit. Marina lost power. We're in Dowry Creek Marina. Made a mistake. Should have went to Lamb's Marina. Probably would have got a good night's sleep. Anyway, generator's still going. Good. You see what's going on out here. See, I'm gonna have to turn on night vision. I can see that right now. Alright. And alright. Well, we have had 60 and 70 knots sustained. Now we're down to 30 knots. 31 knots, 33 knots. So that's not bad. That's much more controllable. I haven't been able to videotape because it's just like totally insane. Anyway, show you the marina here. I'll turn on night vision. Okay, the marina lost power. See, my snaps came undone again. Needs to be moved. That one's not even on. Gee whiz. Alright. Whatever. Okay. We have our headlights on the boat. We got our headlights on. And that's just so the marina will have some electricity, some lights. It'll be pitch black out here. Say hello to your adoring fans.
Hi.
You could be my weather girl.
This could be worse. It could be raining.
Don't say that. It definitely could be worse. I guarantee you no one's getting any sleep tonight. No, it's not. I just turned on my instruments. It was down in the 30s. So, yeah. I know, it doesn't feel like 30. These little monohulls getting the shit kicked out of them. Dangerous as hell. Everybody was worried about that houseboat. I think it rode out the storm the best so far. Oh yeah, absolutely. These docks are normally 2-3 feet above the water. Look at that. Water's coming right up to the dock. Water's almost up to our dock. Look at that, it's actually hitting the bottom of the dock. Our ropes, our lines are almost being pulled right off the piling. Crazy. We'll pop loose and sail out of here. It would be bad. Not on purpose, I'm not. Probably should have used heavier line to hold them down. They should have cleats on this dock. They don't have cleats. All they got is these short little pilings. It's ready to pop off there any minute. I'm gonna have to loosen it up. All right. That dock line right there. Man, it's tied down so it won't jump off, but oh man, it's nerve-wracking as hell. I don't know if you can see it off there. There's a pirate ship up there, and it's come up so high. I bet ocean water gets inside the swimming pool of the resort. Everyone who's got power now is on generator. Gail's sitting there because my isinglass is ready to pop loose. Nothing. I'm just telling people why you're sitting here. Because our isinglass is starting to pop loose there.
Yeah, just that one. We got to came through.
Well, this ain't going to settle down till after 8 a.m. Man, we got another 4 hours. Docks. It's bad out there. Gee whiz. Decided to take a little walk around the marina here. I cannot get over the water level. Those finger piers are not just a little underwater, they are way underwater. Wow. Unreal. Pretty cool, man. hard for you to make sense out of what you're seeing. This little pirate ship right here, he was on the ground. Well, Steve, that gonna be okay?
It's going down.
Is it really?
Yep. I got the pipe broken off the top, so I can't even plug the hole. Find the plug, I can probably plug it.
What kind of plug you need?
About thumb size.
Oh, I'll run and get you one. So their little pirate ship here sinking. I had to run go get a plug. One of our through-hole plugs. She'd be going down if you can't get that in there. There's the swimming pool with the salt water in it. Yeah, be a bad deal for sure. Hi. Did it work?
Yeah.
All right.
That is not what the doctor said to do with the cut. Well, we're just about ready to go under.
Holy shit.
But there's really no way to get it tipped back over.
Except for puller. Try to pump that water back out of there, I reckon. It's not all you can do, right?
Just stop it, calm down, it wouldn't go anymore.
You think she'll roll over?
That's what I was afraid was going to happen, is it roll under the pier. If it goes up anymore.
Yeah. Well, could we throw an anchor out the other side and lash down that other side?
I don't know if we can get one out there far enough to catch it.
Yeah.
Ah, it's tipping a little. We could,
I don't think it's, I don't know. Well, if you got your yard boat, you can launch that, I guess, and bring it around and pull an anchor out. It's about the only thing you can really do at this point. Looks like we got a little sunrise action going on.
We're just about done with this wind.
We are, just, it's so close.
It's way up high now.
Yep, it's so close.
Settle out.
Yeah.
Stop rolling.
Yep. Yeah.
Still 40 mile an hour, but it's out there.
Yeah, it's a lot better than it was. Here's the radio. That's too bad. See what happens, huh?
Yeah.
Gee whiz.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, I don't know. The water goes back out. I know right here it's already up.
Yeah. Let's get your yard boat out there. got salt water in it. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. Ah, what a mess. What a mess. He's afraid that pirate ship's gonna tip over. I don't think it's gonna tip over. It's got loads of ballast in her now.
It is sunset officially.